Right, so this video is 5 things I wish I'd known before I tried to stick vinyl to things. Thing 1. So the roll this vinyl comes on means that when you cut a piece off, it always curls up and around the part. And although it's convenient for this shape, it actually made life a lot harder later on. And so flattening the whole thing with a hot air gun on the table just makes life a lot easier. Thing 2. Using a bit of heat to help stretch the vinyl when you first put it over a part makes life a lot easier later on. Whereas on the left I did the first one just by placing it over and wrapping it around and then heating and stretching as I went. The one on the right, I heated the vinyl up and then stretched it over, and I covered that whole first surface very quickly with minimal lines in it. It was just that one in the middle that just unpeeled and stretched back out. And that made life so much easier and so much quicker. Thing 3. The glue on the vinyl is surprisingly good. As long as you've got clean hands and a clean part, you can just peel it back off and put it back down repeatedly and not worrying about having to get it perfect first time every time. Sometimes a little bit of heat just helps it release and also allows you to, if you've got like a wrinkle, you can stretch the wrinkle out as you reapply the vinyl. Thing 4. This is a thing I particularly struggled with this project, and would be fine if you were doing, say, a car, because it can't move. But these little pieces, they could have done with a vise or a clamp or something, just to hold the inside of them, so that you could then pull the vinyl wrap round the bottom edges of it. I particularly found this hard with these little earmuffs. The compromises I did make for this, however, were that I put one of the earmuffs on a helmet, and that helped me get my hands below the edge of the earmuffs, although it would have been nice to go all the way under. And with the chainsaw guard shroud thing, I put it on my drill, and although it helped with the initial putting it on, it wasn't clamped, so it still moved when I applied force to the vinyl. Thing 5. I realised that a lot of crafts things look really bad until they're virtually done, but this one I found particularly hard to kind of push through that it looks awful, what am I doing territory. And although you just kept pushing at it and doing it, I found that doing the live stream of it helped, just to keep pushing through and working on a little bit at a time. It took a while to make it look like a thing that was vaguely presentable. Thing 6. Vinyl. 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 If you like watching this video, please consider watching some of the others that are on screen now, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.